Hello and welcome to Cricket Today TV. I am your host Garima Kotru. Kings 11 Punjab and Royal Challengers Bangalore will meet each other in the match number 6 of the Indian Premier League 2020 edition. While Kings 11 Punjab fell short against Delhi Capitals in a thrilling contest in a match that went into a super over, RCB got off to a blistering start against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Since both the sides have played just one match each, they are likely to go in with the same starting 11 in the early phase. So let's dwell on the chances of both the teams. Firstly, I am going to start with the Kings 11 Punjab.
Kings 11 Punjab came close against Delhi Capitals but failed to get past the line.
The biggest positive for them was Mohammad Shami and Ravi Bishnoi, and not to forget the left-arm pacer Sheldon Cottrell. Meanwhile, Mayank Agarwal will need to continue from where he left off against Delhi Capitals. However, a much-needed performance is expected from the KL Rahul, who is the leader of the pack. Rahul needs to lead from the front in the batting department. Even the Windies star Nicholas Pooran has a big task ahead of him. Pooran was miserable in the last game, to say at least. Glenn Maxwell too had an ordinary game against the Capitals, and his weakness against Yuzvendra Chahal is not hidden from anyone. The big show should start positively in this game to get the season going. In the bowling department, Mohammad Shami and Ravi Bishnoi were excellent, but Chris Jordan must have pondered his shortcomings in the previous game. Kings 11 Punjab have a squad to compete against RCB, but a smart approach is the need of an hour. Now let's talk about the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Winning the opening tie of the season after 3 years was satisfying for the most underperforming side in the Indian Premier League. RCB found a new star in the form of Devdutt Padikkal. The 20-year-old southpaw struck a fluent 50, and his partnership with Aaron Finch was impressive. However, skipper Virat Kohli looked rusty during his brief stay at the crease. In the upcoming game, a lot is riding on the shoulders of Virat Kohli as far as RCB's title challenge is concerned. In AB de Villiers, RCB have a genuine world-class feel. His attacking 50 against Sunrisers Hyderabad was one of his best innings in the IPL, which also paved the way for a challenging score. You don't doubt players like Mr. 360-degree. On the other hand, Yuzvendra Chahal is continuing to grow in the IPL, and that's a bonus for his team. Umesh Yadav has not changed a bit, and his habit of leaking runs is bound to put him down the order in the bowling department. Yadav needs vast improvement to keep his place in the playing 11. The same is in the case with Dale Steyn also. Now let's take a look at the probable 11s of Kings 11 Punjab and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Guys, in order to help you with Dream 11, we have come up with the best possible combined 11. Now let's talk about the reasons behind Dream 11 team. In the batting department, Padikkal gets the nod given his application and temperament. Mayank and Rahul are the go-to batsmen for KXIP and hold a lot of strength. Kohli and ABD are the seasoned stars in the RCB's batting lineup and are highly consistent. Gautam is a handy customer for Kings 11 Punjab, and Shivam Dubey adds finesse in the all-round department for Royal Challengers Bangalore. We go with a heavy bowling unit. Both Bishnoi and Chahal are the wicket-taking spinners besides containing runs. On the other hand, Mohammad Shami and Navdeep Saini are the reliable pacers to do the job. Now it's time for the match prediction. One expects a close encounter between the two teams. However, RCB have a slight edge ahead of Kings 11 Punjab and can win this match. The live telecast and streaming details of this match are as follows. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in the next video. In the meantime, what you can do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and you can also like our FB page. Goodbye.